When you're born French, Le Mans is the biggest. Basically, you have to go as fast as possible, but not hurting the car. It's all in the balance. The day I saw that car back in '97, I was dreaming to drive it on the street. I've been waiting for that moment 25 years. It happened that after my Formula 1 years, I went to Japan in '95, racing GT. Nissan, after the win of McLaren, was the first to imagine a Japanese supercar. Nissan came to see me to drive the Skyline GT-R, and also, as I had a one-year experience with the Porsche at Le Mans, if I was ready to join a GT1 project. The car design that I saw, R390 in collaboration with TWR, Tom Walkinshaw Racing, reminded me of the McLaren, and I really wanted to join and drive that car. You needed a GT1 to win the overall. The actual first car was ready in March '97 and Le Mans is June. The car was performing well but missing reliability. '98, the car was absolutely unbreakable. 4 car starting, 4 car finishing, 1 podium finishing with the 3 Japanese, with the car 32. To be one of the drivers of those GT1 cars was really something special. Immediately, when I saw the car, I pointed out the possibility that not paying me for 2 years and I would own instead the road car, which they considered for a while. And then Nissan decided that they will not produce more than 1 car. Officially, GT1s were all for sale at $1 million back in '97. Actually, that was not covering the cost of the car. So Nissan said, well, we are not a brand that is normally selling such expensive cars, so we will stick on 1 car for homologation. So then came the thought to one day buy back my race car. When I was convinced that I would be able to road register the car, it was even better than my initial dream. It has been possible thanks to Nissan that helped providing with all the homologation documents. This happened step by step during a 1-year talk, and I've been visiting Japan, and always in Japan it needs a little bit time to make a decision, but you know, words are words, so when you have discussed and agreed about something, even if it's years ago, it can happen. Stored for 20 years, it was complete, but not like a collection car, so we had to dismantle everything and do a nuts and bolt restoration. I had to keep the DNA of Le Mans because this is precious. So I didn't want to make a replica of the road car. I wanted to make it better. I just imagine if Le Mans spec would have been available for customer, how it would have been. Ready to race, Alcantara inside, a bit more comfortable seat, and then engine restoration, gearbox. There is not a single nut that hasn't been dismounted. But I have done 0 change that is irreversible. It's easy tomorrow to put the car exactly as it was at the end of the race. Track has been my office for 30 years, so for me, going on the road is like opening the cage. It's a freedom. One of the best moments of my life after such a long time, being able to own and to drive such a special car. I think the more we go in the time and the more we realize that these GT1 periods were really amazing. Was the McLaren, the Mercedes, the Porsche, and our car, they were supercar. The more I look at it and the more I love it.